Just in 2026 Honda Odyssey EXL Braunability Handicap wheelchair conversion. This is a brand new van, brand new conversion. Gorgeous 2026, brand new, just out of the factory. Beautiful silver, light interior. Love this color on this van. It's brand new, Braunability Handicap wheelchair conversion. We are a Braunability authorized service center and dealer. Been in business 49 years. Give us a call if you're interested in this van or any other Braunability products. We're happy to help. If you need any seating, transfer seats, docking systems, tie-down systems, hand controls, feel free to give us a call. We're happy to help. We got some of the best techs in the industry. The gorgeous 2026 Honda Odyssey. We have the best deals in the country on any brand new vans. Just give us a call. If you have a price from another dealer, we will automatically beat it. 100% guaranteed. Just let us know. Give us a call at 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Happy to help at any time. SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. We are in Boca Raton, Florida. We ship nationwide on any brand new vans. Any used vans, we ship worldwide. Feel free to reach out to us. We have some of the best financing options you can find anywhere. We accept anything in trade, so just let us know what you have. We can do any type of trade-in. We can take trade-ins long distance. We're very fair on trade-in value. We're very aggressive on price. Again, we will beat any deal that you get anywhere else. Just let us know. We are happy to help at any time. We're almost 50 years in business. If you need any easy locks, Q locks, this van comes already with a set of Braunability Q-strength tie downs, extra seat belt, cup holders, all your owner's manuals. They come fully loaded, ready to go. This is an EXL 2026, got your original floor mats. Love this color combination, it is beautiful. 954-561-2499. Call or text us anytime. We're happy to help. If you need any hand controls, adaptive controls, again, just feel free to give us a call. We can handle that for you. Beautiful 2026, got the lighted wayfinder lift, ramp system, kneeling system. These Hondas are beautiful. I think they're the best value that you can get in a brand new mobility van. Absolutely stunning. 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken if you have any questions or concerns. We are happy to help. We have a full service department. Any questions, feel free to reach out. Thank you.